Last little bit we're going to talk about with logarithms. This has to do with the common log. And common log is log base 10. And log base 10 actually is just the word log. So if you see log without anything next to it, so like log, and then there's no base there. So for example, log of 415. This is something that your calculator can do. Okay, so even if you have like the little tiny like TI-30 calculators, your calculator can do this. So I have up Desmos here, and I chose log from the miscellaneous menu. And if I just type in log 415, it gives me an answer. It's just a number. Log of 415 is 2.618. Okay, so using a calculator to do this is pretty easy. The hard part is just remembering that like log with no base on it is really log base 10. So if you ever just see the word log, there is no base. If, for example, I said write in exponent form and gave you the same problem, log 415, you have to know that that base is 10. So then you write 10 to the x equals 415. Okay, so that's kind of like the first part. If you choose from this functions menu, oops, I'm still on pen. So if you choose from the functions menu of Desmos, a different way, like log, and it has base A, and of course I can't get it to work now that I'm recording. That's not necessarily what I want you using. I want you using just the log base 10. The last way that we use the common log is to solve for exponents. That's really messy, but so when you're solving for an exponent, you're going to use common log. And that's because everybody's calculator can do it, you know, no matter what kind of calculator they have, big or small. So, for example, I'm going to say 4 to the x equals 181. And if you look on your little sheet, you're probably going to think like, okay, this isn't on here. What do I do? So I'm going to use common log to solve. I'm going to take the log of both sides. And I'm going to use it like an algebra move. So if I take the log of this side, then I also take the log of this side. And I'm just using log like as in log base 10. So now what I have is log with 4 to the x power is the log of 181. And the nice thing is now, like, for example, log of 181 is something that we can type in Desmos and get an answer to. The hard part is, you know, what do we do with this 4 to the x? And our exponent rules tell us that we can bring it down front, which is nice. So now I have x times log to the 4, or log base 10 of 4 equals log base 10, I don't write base 10, but common log of 181. And I'm trying to solve for x, so I'm going to divide both sides by log of 4. Okay, I'm going to try to put a Desmos screen up here and hope it doesn't cover up too much of our work. So Desmos is where we're going. See if it ever shows up. All right, so I did shrink this earlier and got it to work, but I guess not right now. All right, so we had log of 181, so I'm going to type in there. Parentheses are good when you're doing this. Functions, miscellaneous, and it's log, not log base A. I want you to use log base 10 of 181. Oops, missed it again. 181. And you're going to divide by the log. So back to functions, log of 4. And I believe this is what I had. So my answer in this case is 3.749. I'm trying again to shrink my There we go. So 3.749. So like x equals 3.749. And if you plugged it in, so if I typed in 4 to the, let's see if I can get this to work again. 4 to the 3.749. I missed a digit. 49. Now I missed a digit again. Okay, I hope you guys get the point that I can't type, but I think you already knew that. But if you would have typed it in correctly, oh, I got it now. It's pretty close when I rounded to 181. So double checking your work is a good thing. But those are the two biggest topics about common log that you need to know.